Have you ever wanted to start an online business? How about a free online business that works around your schedule and is powered by free digital marketing tools like social media, blogging, and YouTube videos? In this free webinar, we will show you how to make money on the internet with content marketing. You don't need any special skills or technical knowledge, all you need is a passion for what you want to talk about and share with others. 1. How to get started with content marketing. One of the best ways to start making money with content marketing is by creating a blog. This can be done on any number of free platforms like WordPress, Tumblr, or Blogger. However, the best platform for serious organic marketers is Grooveblog. Once you have created your blog, it's important to populate it with high-quality content that will help attract readers and followers. You can write about anything that suits your interests, just remember to stay consistent if you want your traffic to grow. Another free way to make money with content marketing is by posting to social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. Social media management tools are free or low-cost subscription services that help you maximize the reach of every post so your followers actually see what you have written. YouTube videos can also be an excellent source of free advertising, and is actually the second largest search engine in the world. Lucky for you, it is owned by the first largest provider of search results, Google. That means free traffic, free subscribers, and free leads are all yours for the taking. 2. How do social media influencers make money? If you've noticed that some people have a lot of followers, likes and shares on their social media posts while others don't get any attention at all, it could be because they are professional social media influencers. These marketers use effective content marketing strategies to attract organic traffic from search engines and social media platforms for free. Once free traffic builds up, it is then monetized by selling their products and services through affiliate marketing. If you're looking to make money online in 2022, social media influencing is the way forward. You can even start your own blog or YouTube channel, build an audience of free followers and subscribers over time using free digital marketing tools like SEO, and then kick back on your island vacation and watch the money flow into your inbox. But how does it really work? How do you turn social media posts into money? The answer is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing on YouTube, or any other platform, just means that you get a commission for referring sales. You don't need to have your own product or service to start making money with affiliate marketing, you simply promote the products and services of others in exchange for a commission on each sale. Some social media influencers make six figures annually just by promoting other people's stuff. 3. How to build an audience that can be monetized. The next step to making money with content marketing is to build an audience that can be monetized. This means attracting organic traffic from search engines and social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. The best way to do this is by consistently publishing high-quality content on your blog or social media sites that will help bring visitors to your website by using specific, highly searched keywords. This free digital marketing strategy is called SEO, or search engine optimization. Once your free traffic starts to build up through SEO, you can then monetize it by displaying ads on your website and social media pages, or promoting relevant affiliate offers. 4. How to monetize free internet traffic. So how do you actually turn social media posts into cash? The answer is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing on YouTube, or any other platform, just means that you get a commission for referring sales. You don't need to have your own product or service to start making money with affiliate marketing, you simply promote the products and services of others in exchange for a commission on each sale. The idea is to create content that generates engagement and expands your reach automatically, so that people find your posts and buy the products you promote around the clock, even while you're sleeping. The free digital marketing strategies above are just a few of the many ways you can start making money online in 2022. If you've ever wanted to become an influencer, this free webinar will show how anyone with a passion for their field can turn what they love into a sustainable business that operates 24/7. How to automate your affiliate marketing business. Once you've created some content and established an audience, the next step is to automate as much of your marketing process as possible. This will free up your time so you can focus on creating more content and expanding your reach, while the marketing tools you've put in place do all the hard work for you. One of the best ways to automate your affiliate marketing business is to create a blog or YouTube channel and use specific software to publish new posts and videos automatically. Using a post scheduler, you can easily put all of your posts into one spreadsheet and use a bot to push it out to all of your social channels on autopilot. Another way to automate your affiliate process is by using messenger automations, like chatbots. Chatbots are computer programs that can be programmed to respond to specific questions and comments from your followers. This allows you to automate the process of answering customer queries, which can free up a lot of your time. The bottom line is, if you want to make money from posting to social media, now is the time to get started. Learn how to rank on Google organically.